Good afternoon. Can I get one bottle of water, please? I'm thirsty. Tough. Alright, thank you.
Yeah, what happened? Now what happened? Now what happened me? I'm just see a while ago na kissing the guy now. Lie? Which lie? Me just see you kissing the guy a while ago. Me give you a chance. And I still can't do it again. Yo. Can't believe girl. So you really go do that again after me really give you a chance and you tell me say nah do it again. I'm really put my trust in you. You still go do it. I don't want to do things and I'm sorry after. So you know what you do for me? Just come off of my phone. Can't believe something is really happened to me again, Jaja. Father God, why me so bad looking so? Why? Why? Why me? Why me can't just find a proper woman in my life though? Cha.
Babes. What? Where can PUM people phone from? What do you mean by that? Hold on there. May I take a seat? Hold on.
In my life, why I be a cross is me I pick up. Yo.
I don't understand them something here, you know. What you talk about? Me don't know what you talk about. I'm clueless. Alright, don't hear me I come right now. Because I don't understand them something here what you say to me. Junior! Can I make sure I call me? Because I'm cannot answer. Junior! Junior! I Tony I call my phone for all an idea, yeah. When I call my phone for? Hello? What you want, Tony? I not leave it in a way, I just answer what you want. I'm in a good mood today. I don't plan to let my yard today, you know. How? What you really say to me? Alright, I soon come then. Give me 15 minutes. It's not a problem. Backside. Tony!
Come on, Tyson now. You want to say what Jonah him just call me and tell me about him brother call him and tell him say me a cheat on him. What you said to me? Yes sir, so when you call me and tell me say you catch your woman as a cold man too. Me I feel say then I could have really have one idea. I could have really cast them missing thing. Hold on there. Cause the rain come down, I'm lock up the window there.
Okay, but even good on the phone now. I tell myself if I did me in a few shows, you know, probably some disrespect it. See me right now, I'm not going to mash up the girl.
Funny. Don't know about that with that right now. Me understand what you're saying, you know. Tell me what real go on. What you say I'm with you on her?
Kim, that's my 3-year anniversary. My girlfriend said I never carried it. So, I go book a hotel room. I never have no money in my pocket to take no taxi come home. So, on the way walking come home, you know, say do me see girl, I bust out one nigga tongue.
What you say to me?
She never bust out my tongue yet, so yet, you know, never, you know.
Then you don't know what to say. As you are telling me this a story, I see him thing with me today with my man. Junior really call me today and tell him say, oh, him brother, tell him say him see me down a hotel with man. Poor me, you know, poor me. I don't know what Junior brother could have seen me with man. And he call me and tell me how sort of foolishness. Can't what there. I say me a go down a boy yard. And me a beat down the grill and me a call and he in a house and him not answer me. I call Junior phone, Junior not answer. I text him, he not answer. I holler down my throat, told him not answer. I don't know what to do next. You think I look struggle, me and Junior struggle over the years? You think I look fight, me and him fight? I don't go hungry, we'll be here together, you know? You want me to tell me, say?
Hush, man.
Really
Stop it crying, man. You're not crying, man. Things are better, man. Stop it crying, man. Everything got alright with them, man. Stop it crying.
No, I should have not do this to me.
I just so live set, man. Stop crying for me now, please, now. Please, now, stop crying now. Stop crying, man. Wipe out your face, yeah. Stop crying, push.
Make sure you keep up between me and your secret, you know. Coming on, nobody know.
That good man can't keep that secret. But my wish you never have to go so early.
Yeah, go down go cook some food here. We call you later. Alright. Hello? Junior? What? Prank. What do you mean a prank you did a prank me? Me mama clock.
Yo, John was star. I really dragged them scene there. 2 characters. No, well, three characters. Really dragged that scene there. So yeah, people. Remember, you know, like the video. Long time subscriber, like the video. And if you're first time over here, if this is your first time over here, definitely subscribe. The reason why I'm asking for subscribe is so that I can afford longer videos, more videos. Well, me always I gonna make video, but if you don't subscribe, it help me. It support the channel and share it on the social media platform. Yeah man, CC boss over here tell me. And tell them your YouTube channel same way.
Well, subscribe and share now. The Ackeen Lawrence, Richard Brown Flim, Bonnie
Jamie
TV.
Wood. Yeah.
Also, you don't know official Alton Garden. Understand? Same nice can also. That is my YouTube channel. Put up behind the scenes and sometime you don't know. So subscribe to YouTube channel, them people.
Yeah man, I go and play some game over there. So.
Black Ops today I go and play my father.
Oh. So what's over there? So I go and play Black Ops people. So yeah, definitely subscribe people. Like the video, long time subscribers. And if you want to become more member, yes, join and become more member. Yeah. Short film I go and see them with. Until then. Little more. Alright, well
I forgot what I said.
man say hush. Brother, tell her say everything I got alright man.
Yeah,
You don't have to cry. Everything I got alright man. Don't worry yourself. So we're getting that now.
Yes, sir. So when you call me and not tell me, say you're a woman, tell you, say, I don't know.
But those true, me know me can't talk to you about certain things. That's why I call you over here. What? Stop laughing.
Come now, man.
Sex not
You don't want to go, bro, man. You don't want to forget. I wish you never forget.
Yeah. That good man. Can't keep it a secret. But I wish you never have to go so early. Swear.
By the way, look. No!